to my channel. For today's video, we'll be doing an unboxing of Macbook Air 2020 Gold. I had Macbook Air Silver, the old version, but I decided to upgrade for work and editing YouTube, etc. And I'm going to insert a clip when I got this laptop, and I needed to open it to check the model if complete accessories ba siya or what. And I bought this from a legit seller here in Tarlac. A big shout out to you, Sir Nodge, and I'm a Suki since 2016, and I must say that all our transactions were smooth and fast. So if you want to check his Facebook account, I'll put it down below. And if you guys are looking for a techie review or unboxing, this is not the video for you. This is just a simple, chill unboxing only, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. So guys, that's the actual video of my unboxing the day na pinick up ko yung unit. So as you can see, very satisfying yung part na yan because it's the actual unboxing of the model.
Pero kulay na eh.
Wala ko pang buksan.
Sige, hilahin mo yan. Tapos hilahin mo lang. Hilal. Open mo na siya. Ang ganda. Nice.
Pretty.
So here she is, MacBook Air 2020 13-inch. I got the gold one, which looks like a rose gold color. She's so pretty. And all of that are the MacBook specifications, like the Touch ID, 256 gigabytes, the Magic Keyboard, and etc. So yes, let's open the box. So inside the box, there's a charger cord or a USB-C cable. And of course, we have USB-C power adapter. also have this envelope, and I don't usually check on this, but yes, we have two manuals here. Stickers, and the color of the stickers depends on the color of your MacBook, so I got the gold one. Let's proceed with the unit itself. So it's not that thick and it's not that thin, and it weighs 1.2 kilograms or 2.8 pounds. So once you open the laptop, it will automatically turn on the MacBook Air, and you may need to enter your code or your password to enable the Touch ID. As you can see, I already changed the desktop background. Excited ng lola nyo. So that's Porsche. If you're watching my previous videos or uploads, Porsche is my fur baby, a Shih Tzu, and turning 1 year old this October 28. So that's the Mac OS Catalina, 256 gigabytes. What I love about this is it has a Touch ID or fingerprint. All the specs of this MacBook Air 2020 will be posted down below, and yes, that's our simple unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, click like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.